तृप्ति मैम, हेलो। Sankapre sir.
Sir, hello. Hello.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, sir.
Thank you,
Audible.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Your screen is.
Yeah, sir, it's visible only.
Yeah. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Gopinath sir, hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we start the session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Principal sir, hello.
Okay, we can start.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Dr. Shantaram Raisi, resource person of today's webinar session, Mr. Gopinath S., Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. I, Tripti Shetty, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, and the coordinator of this webinar, on behalf of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, welcome you all for the webinar on the use of Mendeley Web Library in research workflow. Now I request Dr. Sankap Rai, librarian, AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, to welcome the gathering.
A very good morning to everyone present here. With warm greetings, it gives me great pleasure to extend warm welcome on behalf of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, Central Library, conducting a national webinar on use of Mendeley Web Library in research workflow. Today we have an eminent resource person, Mr. S. Gopinath, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering at Don Bosco Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bangalore, for accepting our invitation. For the benefit of faculty and students and research scholars across the country, on behalf of AJ Institute of Technology, management, principal, staff, and students, I heartily welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. Shantaram Raisi, who is guiding spirit for all of us and inspires all the academic activities of the institution. I extend a very cordial welcome to you, sir. I welcome all the participants, professors, faculty members, students, and research scholars of our college and other institutions across the country. Welcome to one and all for joining this webinar. Now I request Tripti Shetty, coordinator of the webinar, introduce the guest and the importance of the webinar.
Mr. Gopinath S. received his BE Civil Engineering from Adyaman College of Engineering, Hosur, Tamil Nadu, and MS Engineering from KLE Dr. MSS CET Belagavi, and pursuing PhD in the area of soil structure interaction in Vishweshwaraya Technological University. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. He has published 11 research articles in international journals and 9 research papers in international conferences. He is associate member of IEI, S member at American Society of Civil Engineers, USA. He is the recipient of ICI Ultratech Award for his outstanding master thesis in the field of concrete. Elsevier recognized him as a Mendeley Advisor for valuable contribution to the promotion of good research practices. Sir, I once again welcome you for the webinar session. The importance of Mendeley Web Library is it is a free reference manager that can help us to collect references, organize our citations, and create bibliographies. Mendeley is also an academic social network that enables us to share our research with others. Now, without further ado, we will turn up the time over to the presenter. Sir, over to you.
Thank you so much, madam. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. We will start the session.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Very happy morning to all my brothers and sisters over here. So I am Gopinath S. and by remembering my parents, Mata, Pita, Guru, and God, I would like to enrich, or not like enrich. I just want to share whatever I have learned through this Mendeley. I just want to disseminate how to use this referencing software for your research purposes. So before that, I would like to thank AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, the organizer Tripti Shetty madam, and Dr. Sankaparai sir, librarian, and our beloved principal Dr. Shantaramaya sir, for choosing me to present, for giving me an opportunity to present about this Mendeley software to all the faculty community and research scholars. Fine. So before, how I will start the session is that, let me say, many of the research scholars after registering PhD has suffering with 2 problems. One is problem identification. So for any research, problem identification is must. So before, you have to go sit with the persons or sit with your professor, guide, or whatever, a mentor. Then you have to take a research topic. So then you have to search and collect the literatures of that. Then you have to do a very vast literature survey, almost 1 decade or 2 decade research or 1 decade papers. You have to collect it, and then you have to do the experimental part. Then after that, we will put references. Yeah. So when I was not knowing this Mendeley software, so how I used to make this referencing is like, I will download a paper, I will just go copy the author name, copy the journal name, I will copy the page number, publisher, everything, then I will put in. So it will take much of time. It will take so much of time for me to do the referencing part. So here, this software, by using this, I will teach you, or I will share how to do that perfectly with this referencing tool. Ma'am, I hope my screen is visible, right?
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is my voice is perfect?
Perfect, sir, perfect.
The screen is visible, ma'am. Like
Screen
it
is visible. Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So now I just want to make this session so much interactive. Let me ask any of the research scholar over here as a participant to please put your research topic in your in this chat box, so that I will do the, because if I'm from civil engineering background, if I do that you will get confused. So to make this more interactive, I would like to request any participants or any faculty members, research scholars, to just type your title. Yes. So I have received a title like Industrial Safety Ergonomics from Prabhakaran sir. Okay. Surface and groundwater interaction. Prabhakaran sir, is there any specific you are to doing in that industrial safety ergonomics? You can post it. Okay, I will change this. Lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roadways. Adoption and diffusion of solar products in the state. Okay, I will take this lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roadways. Yeah. So I will just take this topic. So before I just going to brief about Mendeley, it will take just 5 minutes of time how to collect literature. So you just go to googlescholar.com. So wherever we want to know any details about anything, we will use Google. So the Google Scholar is exclusively for researchers. So just type your topic on that. So here you can see articles anytime since 2020, since 2019, since 2016, custom range, include patents, include citations, menu will be there. Right. So there is an area called lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roadways. So this is from a transportation background. So this is how we have to collect the literature. So once if you are fixed with your topic, you go to Google Scholar and type it and you can see. Right. Sir, I want the paper, I want the work done for this particular topic, lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roads between 2020 only. I want only in 2020. Means here you can click custom range. You can give 2020 to 2020 and you can give search. So it will display the work. So totally you can see 449 researchers. So you can see here 449 researchers have did throughout the universe, throughout the world, across the world. They have did 449 papers, published 449 papers, or including citations, whatever, including patents, it may. So from this you can collect the literature, right? So for example, if you want to study, no, I want the range between 2019. So you can put 2019 to 2019 and you can set it. So here you will get all this one. So here there is a 2K. So if I just stick the paper, so it will go. So here if you click this paper, the paper will come. So once you can download the paper. And for example, if you want the range between 2022, or if you want, okay, I don't want recent printer, I want in 1990, if any work has been carried out on this particular topic, you can search it across. You will also get totally 68 researchers all over the world. At the time in 1990 itself, they have published lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roadways. So here I will just take 5 papers I will just take 5 papers of this lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roads, and I will do how to do the citation and all. So here you can see that simulation for traffic flow, analyze lane change to multi-change highways, everything will be there. So click that. So first thing is we have to collect the literature papers. Okay, so that is what I'm doing now. I request the participants to mute.
Participants, kindly mute your audio. Please mute your audios.
Okay, here. So this is the first step of my research. I am just going to collect the literature survey. Yes, I am done with it. So I have collected one paper. So then three, 4, 5, 6. So here you can see like modeling operating speeds for a multi-lane divided highways. There is a, I think so. This is a book. I think so. This is a e-book. Motor bus. It's taking time. Yeah, here I got one article. We have to collect our literatures from the top journals like Springer, American Society, and Taylor and Francis, everything. And nowadays, if you ask if you are from any institution, you please go and ask the librarian. And as per AGIT concern, you can ask Sankar Parisar. He will give a link to open nimbus.com, KNIMBUS, nimbus.com. So where you can go and download this article for free. So nimbus.com from VTU consortium, they have registered. Those who are from VTU recognized as those who are from affiliated colleges of VTU, or if you are from Tamil Nadu also, Anna University with Nimbus, VTU with Nimbus, all the state university with Nimbus, as providing you a free subscription to all those journals. So from that journal, you will collect this article. So now it's my second article I have collected in this topic. So this is my third article. So, and also here also you can see that change, you can see science directly. Yeah, if we go to elsewhere, Here you can see an export option will be there. If you can able to download this PDF, you can download, or there is a option, it's not coming here properly. There is a option called share or export. You can click that and you can download that file. The reference may be in the format of RIS or whatever it may. It's not coming. I am just going to the next page. So totally I have collected 2 articles. This is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. So let me check. Yeah. So this is my 3rd article I have collected. So periodicals of engineering and natural sciences. See, this is a journal. This is a journal name, which International University of Sarajevo. So that university is running this particular journal. Yeah, I'm done with 4 articles. Yeah, I have done right now. So first point, the step 1 is collecting literatures. I hope you are all clear with collecting the literatures, how to collect the literature. Yeah, now the next step is to say about Mendeley. So first thing I want to say that Mendeley elsewhere software is a free software. Okay, so as like as Mendeley, there are Zorato is there, and many BibTeX and LaTeX. There are many softwares like this, but all are paid version. Mendeley, if you take, it is a free version. You can download it. You can download it and you can use it. And you can download it and you have to register for it. So you go to mendeley.com. So I will show from where you can download this Mendeley. It's taking a lot of time. Yes. So mendeley.com, you can go and you can see here, but already I have registered there. So I will just log out. So this is the Mendeley page where you can download the Mendeley software for free. So once you can see this is a Mendeley page. Again, it's irritating. Motor bus. Yeah. So this is a Mendeley page. You can create your free account either with your institution mail account or your personal mail. You can create a free account, and if you click here download, it will download. It will ask either to Mendeley for Windows, or if you are using Mac OS, or if you are using Linux OS, you can click here and a file will come and you have to install that. So this is how about a Mendeley. So here in this website, yeah. So here you can go and sign in. So once if you have downloaded and install the Mendeley, you will get a menu like this. So you can see in my desktop, it is visible. Mendeley desktop, the software will be there. So you just click that. I hope you have, if you are registered, you have to log in with your mail ID. So already I had registered with Mendeley. I'm just going to log in. Yeah. I will just see here. I will just delete all my folders. Remove folder. Yes. Remove folder. Yes. Yes. Now, if you are installing the Mendeley for the first time, you will get a screen like this. Here you can see file. You can add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry, import. Everything will be there. And there is a menu called edit. You can find, cut, copy, paste, and you can create a folder. You can create a group. Everything here. And if you want to view this as a library, as citation and table, after uploading the paper, I will say, and here the tools. So first thing, after downloading the Mendeley, you go to tools and here you can click install MS. Here install web importer will be there and install MS Word plugin will be there. So web importer is nothing but if you are going through an Elsevier website or Springer or American Society, whatever it may, there is a called web importer. From the web itself, you can directly import that to the library. If you want, you can click that also. So usually what I will do, I will first collect the literature, I will read the paper fully, then I will put it into this, then I will do it. So that's why I didn't install this web importer. If you want, you can install the web importer itself, right? So here we have to add an article. For example, so here here the person like sir, what he told is lane change behavior. Yeah, lane change behavior for 4-lane divided roadways. That was a topic was given by him. Yeah, so now even I can create not only one group. For example, I'm doing in soil structure interaction, my PhD, and also I am from structural background. I can use this for all the fields and all the what to say. So it is not particular to one. Right, I can create n numbers of folders under which I can add many topics. Right now, if I am particular to that topic, I can read a paper, journal paper, or conference paper, or newspaper article, or there may be an announcement in audio, or there may be an announcement in radio, or in TV, or in advertisement. So all these things you can export it this in this Mendeley software, and you can cite your references. So how to do that? So as I told, as said by one of our participants, so I have collected 4 literature review, 4 literature papers for my research topic, lane change behavior. So that I am going to add. So here you can see file, add folders, add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry manually, import. If you go for add entry manually, you have to type in each and everything. So before if you are going to do a research, so from where we are getting the articles, where maybe from book or book section, or it may be a case, or it may be a computer program, conference proceedings, encyclopedia article, film, or generic, or hearing, a journal article, magazine, newspaper, patent, report, statue, or television broadcast, or thesis, and whatever it web or working paper. So these many types you can add. So if you go for this manually, it will take so much of time. So assume that we are like, it's not like assume, we have already collected. You go to add folder. So you go to the folder where you have collected the literature. So I have kept in my folder. Transportation. I will just click OK. That folder will be imported to this Mendeley library. So this is what called library. Okay. So now I'm from Tamil Nadu. Now I am opening this Mendeley in this desktop and using this. Yes. Now today I'm in DBIT, Don Bosco. And tomorrow if I want to go to Tamil Nadu and I want to do the research work, yes, all these articles will be saved in the online itself. Okay, so it is called this entire page. This is called as a library page where you can add all the articles of yours so that it will be there always. So you can go and you can access from it. You can access it from anywhere in the world. So and also add folder. I'm also going to add one of my topic. clay soil, so it will take some time, or else you can do one thing. Here you can see the menu, create folder will be there. You can put the topic as transportation. Pick that. Now the folder is open. You file, add files. Select all these 5 papers and open, it will open. Yes. So now this is for transportation. Now I want to work on my PhD topic like clay soil. So you create a folder, file, add files. Where is a file? You click that. You open all. So it will come. So here you can see transportation, I am having 5 articles, and clay soil, I am having some 5 articles. Okay. So I have told you can create n numbers of folders, transportation, soil, environment. If you are from multidisciplinary fellow, or if you are from sociology, or if you are from archaeology, or if you are from electronics and communication, if you want to signals and systems, you want to make one folder and put all the paper. If you want to put the networks, you can put all the papers. So like that, you can put all the papers. Yeah. So now transportation, I have 5 papers. You can see that if you click here, everything will be automatically done. So title will come here. You can see in the right side of the screen, authors will be there. Journal name, year, volume, this everything will be automatically updated. Abstract, keywords, DOI, everything will be there. So that if you double click that, it will come. So from here, what I am going to learn is this. They have used the microscopic traffic simulation flow model for generating the traffic flow data to obtain an essential parameters. So this is what my literature, right? So this is what I have learned. So go to a new document, open a new document. So for all the researchers, I just suggest you just don't copy and paste it. So here for your better understanding, I'm just doing that. So for better understanding, you just read all this, read all the para, and you please rewrite it, and you can you can do your work. Okay. So assume that this is I have rewritten. So I because due to the time constraint, I could not able to rewrite all those things. Assume that this is a rewritten work. Yes. So now I am just going to explain you. So within 5 to 10 minutes, I'm just going to show you the objective of this Mendeley. You can see if I'm not using this Mendeley software, how I am going to do is, so here these are the authors. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are the authors. Yeah, Seelam Srikanth, Arpan Meher, and Kolisetti Guru Naga Venkata Praveen. So all this. So who is the first author? So these are all first authors. So I'm taking him without Mendeley. I'm saying without Mendeley. I'm just doing the referencing part. Seelam Srikanth, which year he have published is 2020. So I will put 2020. Studied so my literature is ready, and what I will do like this, I will do for all the papers, and I will go to the references. So what I did before Mendeley is I will go here. Yes, I will and even the participants also, and even I also will do the same thing. My professor taught me the author name must be the first, followed by the journal name, and followed by the journal. Now the reference is ready. So here some one is there, I have to make it. I think so you can think that how much time it is taking for me to do this referencing part. Okay. Now, yeah, now the reference is ready. Think that I have taken some 2 minutes of time to do this one. And even if you want to go for any particular journal, for example, if this sir wants to do a publication in elsewhere, you have to go to that website. They will say, for example, for civil engineering, there is a journal called Korean Society of Civil Engineering. So that journal format you have to go, right? So again, what I will do, I will go Korean Society of Civil Engineer. I will put Korean Society of Civil Engineers. I will put. So I will just open the journal. I have to read their objective, submission guidelines. You have to go there. If you go to the submission guidelines, publication ethics, everything will be there, and you have to see how to do the referencing, research data. So this is how we researchers spend the time to how to submission guidelines. You have to go. Please refer to the manuscript of the given link below. Publication ethics, code of ethics. Yes, this is what I want. Code of ethics. We have to do all those things. Manuscript submission guidelines. Yes, so this is what my part is here, 7.11 reference. See, I have to go through all those things and I have to make a paper. And if you come to the reference 7.1, yes. I'm sorry, I forgot. It is 7.11. I'm just going to 7.11. Yes. So this is what a Korean Society of Civil Engineers. So I am just want to make this paper. I want to make this format and I have to submit to Korean Society. So what I will do, so here I will remove this one. I will remove this one. Again here one. I have to put bracket 2013. Everything is there. I have to remove this comma and there is no comma. You have to give full stop. Journal name. After journal name, you have to remove the comma. 14, 18. I should not use the word PP. I have to use this colon. That's all. And nowhere here I have mentioned it is 2020. So yeah, I have to mention here. And at last I have to give the DOI. So where is this DOI? It is here. DOI is this digital object identification. So just if you click this, it will go to the paper itself. Yeah, you see how much of time I took to align to this literature survey. Yes, HTTP I have to delete it. So because here I have to put the same. If you're not doing this, the publisher will send back you the paper and saying that it is not in the format of the journal. Yes, you can say almost I took some 5 minutes of my time to do this referencing, right? Yes. Now I'm just going to the next paper. Yeah, here I'm just reading here. I thought this study finder, this one is a very important point. I can go to the notes, I can bold it, I can copy and I can paste it here. Some notes I can take. And here you can, if you want to highlight it, you can highlight it. If you want to note, make a note, you can note the same. So like that you can do everything so that you won't forget what you have did it. Okay, so this is what you have to do with Mendeley. You can see pan is there, you can move it, you can select the test, highlight, color if you want to purple, whatever you can do it, and full screen like everything, right? Yes. Now it is done. So this is first paper, right? So you see, it takes some 10 minutes of my time to do this reference. Okay. Now I'm just going to delete all those stuffs. I'm just going to delete all those stuff. Okay. I know whose paper is this, Seelam Srikanth. Yeah. Now this is an important part of the objective of this webinar. Now this is Srikanth Salim. For your better understanding, I will take the second paper also, so that it will be easy for you to view that. And I'm just going to take the third paper. I'm just doing all this for better understanding purpose. So you please don't do this. You please read all those. You please read all those sentences, understand, and you please read it with your own words, and you please do it. Because for your better understanding purpose, I'm just doing this. Yeah, all the 4 is over. Yeah, I have collected. Yeah, done. It is done now. You can see paper number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me put the title also. Now the important part of this webinar comes here. So here after you can do the synchronization, whatever it may. Yeah, now how to cite this article? Yeah. So here after collecting this, so please be attentive. So why I made this 5 is, I have to repeat the same step for all the 5 literature review so that you can cite it properly. First thing, I am just recalling, I have collected the literature, I have uploaded that literature in the Mendeley library, and then I have made a document, whatever I read, and I have written in my own words and put it here, and now I want to do referencing. Earlier, I have worked out how to do the referencing without Mendeley. If you do that, it will take some 10 minutes of time. Now, you just click here, because here only we want to give the literature. Before studied, you just click here, and you can see in the word, you can see references. So this is what I said. If you go here, if you see the tools, uninstall MS Word plugin. If you install it, it will come. If you don't install, this option won't come. This option won't come. So here you go, you just give insert citation. Again, I'm repeating. In MS Word, there is a menu called Home, Insert, Page Layout, References is there. References, you go to the references, you give insert citation. Okay, here this menu will come. My library. Yes, you are. I have said like this is all will save in the my library only. You put my library, go to Mendeley, okay, cancel. You click on this, go to Mendeley, it will go. So here you can see in the transportation, I have collected 5 papers. You click that paper. Here you can see add folders related synchronization site. You just click the button site. I'm repeating once again. You click the paper because I have took this Srikanth paper. So just you have to click like this. If you click, you just click the site. That's all. It will come automatically. So before going to that, you have to select the format. I'm just took this Korean Society of Civil Engineer. I will provide the same. So before you going to start citing, you please go here, style, and you can select your style. You can select Korean Society of Civil Engineering. Or if you want IEEE format, you can select IEEE format. If you want KSE Journal of Civil Engineering, you go, click here, insert citation, go to Mendeley, click that paper, and give cite. It will come. See, next. Again, the second paper I'm going to do. Click here, insert citation, go to Mendeley, you click the second paper, you click cite. Yes, it is done. Now, again, you click here, insert citation, go to Mendeley, you can see cite, you select the third paper, you select cite, it will come. Then fourth paper, keep your insertion here, keep your insertion point here, click insert citation, go to Mendeley, the fourth paper, it is done. And Anudip Reddy et al. 2020. So here, again, insert citation, go to Mendeley, come here, click cite. Yes, that's all. I have cited all these articles. Yes. So how to do this reference? Once again, I have to go back and copy paste. No, you can see a menu here upper. Insert bibliography is there. So this is the ultimate purpose of this webinar. You just click this, you click your insertion point here and just click the insert bibliography. Everything will be ready now. You can see all these 5 references. Now it is ready. So this is how the Mendeley will reduce your time very quickly. You can see. Now you have applied for this Korean Society of Civil Engineering and it got rejected. Don't worry. You are going for other journal. Yeah. Now they are asking you to do in IEEE format. So what to do, sir? Don't worry. You take the paper, open this. You just go and click IEEE. Everything will change. So before, if you see Korean Society, it is Srikanth et al. 2020. If you click IEEE, the entire format will change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the formatting also has changed. So if the journal has indicated you with, for example, here there is less style. You can say, sir, only this much of style is there. I want nature, but nature is there. Okay, I want American Chemical Society, but American Chemical Society is not there. Okay, you go for more styles. It will go to the Mendeley. You can click here more style. You can type the whatever format you want. You go to any journal. You can say if there is from American Chemical Society. Yes, so it is not installed. So you can use this style. You can do it and click done. Yeah, it is done. Now you go click here. Yeah, now it is in IEEE format. More styles. American Chemical Society. Use this style. Use this style. Done. National Law of Medicine. So if yeah. So here I can see that I have selected American Sociology Association 6th edition format. More styles, get more styles, American Chemical Society, use this style. Yeah, American Chemical Society, it's not coming, maybe issue with that one. And you can check whether if it is a transportation, you can check any other format is there. If you want this American Journal of Chemical Society, you can click use this style and you can click done. You can go select here and you can do it. Sometimes if it is not there, you do refresh, so it will come. So more styles, so you can see.
Why is this not clear,
sir? Yeah, you can select it. If I want to use in nature format, I am just clicking. You can see the references has changed automatically. 1. So here all will come into the nature format. Yeah, so this is how we have to work with the Mendeley. So likewise, I have some papers on soil. So this you have to do it. So here it is not, you have to export all this PDF only. No, if you see, if you like to see, I have collected some paper. You can upload this not only in the PDF format, in the RIS format, everything. Suppose if you are not getting this type of PDF, you will get an export or share option. You can click that export option and you can download it as any type, BibTeX or RIS format or any format you can download, and you can upload it to Mendeley. Okay, so this is how we have to work with Mendeley. You can see how much time it has been reduced to do this literature survey and referencing part. So I think so I'm done with this session. Yeah. Shankar sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, madam, is it okay? And
Yes,
if
sir.
participant having any queries, you can please ask so that I can work on.
Yeah, we will take some time for the questions now.
Yeah.
Please be sure to type your questions in the chat box, participants.
The MS Office get corrupted, and if I reinstall it and follow the same procedure to link Mendeley with MS Word, and if I open my wallpaper in MS window, will it work? If the MS Office get corrupted, and if I reinstall it and follow the same procedure to link Mendeley with MS Word, and if I open my wallpaper in MS Word, will it work? Yeah. See, Prashant Sethi sir, it's a good question. Think that Prashant Sethi sir has collected all these 5 papers and he has uploaded in Mendeley. Okay, so this paper will be here. If Prashant Sethi sir is in Bangalore, it will be here. If he go to Tamil Nadu, if he go to Delhi, if he log in with the same username and password what he has had, it will be the same. But the thing is that the word copy is not will come, so you have to keep separate word copy and you have to do all those things. So the word copy is not over with not over any like any link with the Mendeley software. Okay, so if your MS Word copies get corrupted, you have to reinstall it, and you have to go to again to the Mendeley software, and you have to install this add-on. You have to again go to this Mendeley. You have to go to the tools and you have to install the Word plugin. Then you have to start working. Yeah, I think so. Prashant Sethi sir, I have answered your query. Can we use Mendeley offline? Can we use Mendeley offline? No, we have to. We can able to Mendeley use only in online. Please share the recorded video. Yes. Thank you, sir. Yes, Mendeley has also MLA 8th edition. Yes, Naresh sir. MLA 8th edition. Naresh GV. Thank you, sir. Suppose I go to the more styles, get more styles. Naresh sir was asking MLA. Sorry, MLA. Eighth edition. So lot of this is there. You can check over here. MLA 8th edition. Okay. Nature, more style, get more style.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
It is a modern language association, sir.
Yeah, right, sir, right, sir. Thank you, sir. Modern. Yeah, sir, which edition you are asking, sir? 7th edition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 8th edition, yes. It is there, sir. 8th edition you click. you can click use this style and it will get installed. You go to here, you go to the installed one, modern language 8th association, use this style, click done sir. Here it will come. Modern Language Association 8th edition. So see, now this is now up to the Modern Language Edition 8th edition. You can see Young et al. So this is how the Modern Language Association of 8th edition will be there. Next question is from Sabir. Is it can use on web? Is a Mendeley web version by sign it can we use? Yes sir. Like if you don't want to download all this PDF stuffs, everything, you go to Mendeley, you go to the tools and you can install the web importer. Once if you install the web importer, that web importer will be imported to your browser. If it is Opera or if it is the Google Chrome or whatever it may, it will take some time. Okay, so here you can go install web importer. From the web itself, you can directly add to your library. Share the recorded video. Yes, it will be done by ma'am. Is it synchronize all references? Is there any mobile version? Mobile version they are in process, sir. They will announce it shortly. It will synchronizes all the references. So that's why there is an option called synchronize. You can give a synchronize button. It will synchronize all the articles. For example, I have added 2 folders. If I want to add more folders, if I want to go to add more articles, I can give the synchronization so that it will synchronize it automatically. Thank you, Sankaprai sir. Does Mendeley support in text citation? It's Mendeley. I'm using Mendeley for reference section. Fantastic, Nirmala ma'am. Does Mendeley support in text citation? Yeah, it will support. Kindly add this YouTube also, Modern Language Association. Sir, I should download the paper and upload in Mendeley, but which word format is better supporting it? Sir, I should download the paper and upload in Mendeley, but which word format is better supporting it? Samir Ahmed sir, I didn't get your question. You can download the paper and you can upload it in Mendeley, or if you have installed the web importer, you can directly add the paper to your library so that you can access it from the Mendeley library. While submitting the papers, we have to provide details because some journal asking, sir, what are the details we have to give, sir? While submitting the paper, we have to provide details because some journal are asking. So what details they're asking, ma'am? Suppose, see, I have submitted my first paper to Journal of Structural Health Monitoring. I don't know what is the reference and I don't know what to do. Somehow I did the reference part and they have rejected due to the references part is not up to the journal mark. So I have did all those manually. So if you're using this Mendeley, you can do automatically. No, Nirmala ma'am, if you unmute, you can ask the question. I did because I didn't understand your question.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
hello?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I can hear you. Please, ma'am.
Sir,
Yeah,
in
please.
the reference section, we are including no, sir. All the references are automatically arranged and it is showing this inside the paper also. Where,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes, sir, I am able to understand. I'm using Mendeley, sir.
No problem.
What is the doubt I'm having is some journals are asking, please provide the reference in the Mendeley and citation in the Mendeley also they are asking. So what are the details we have to give related to Mendeley, sir? Whether we have to give our username, password, or what we have to provide, sir?
Nothing,
And
ma'am.
they
So
can
if you're,
automatically it will take.
yeah, so if you're writing a journal, if you're done with your journal article, I hope you will write the cover letter, na, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You in the cover letter you mention what you have done and what the research have you done, what is the uniqueness you have done, and also you please quote I had used the Mendeley reference management software for my reference purposes. Like that, you can add a word in that in your cover letter, so that they will come to know, yes, this referencing format what they did is right. So that you
Okay.
can, you don't
That
provide
is
the
enough,
username.
sir.
Yeah,
That is enough, sir.
that is
So it
enough.
is
That
a
is,
open platform. Everyone can see, sir.
no, not it is not an open platform. So
Ah,
it is not an open
how can
platform.
they? How can they know our references in the Mendeley, sir? Because we are using in the desktop version, no, sir.
Yeah. No,
Ah,
like you are just saying to them, I have used the Mendeley software
oh,
for the referencing purpose. That's all.
okay. That is enough.
Yeah.
Okay,
That
okay,
is
sir.
enough. That is enough.
Because they
So nobody
highlighted,
can access your article, nobody can access your library
yes,
until
sir.
unless you provide your username and password to everyone, to
Okay.
anybody.
So we should not provide those things, sir. Just we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
write a word only. I have
Yeah,
used
yeah,
like
that's
that.
it. That's
Okay,
it, man.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. There's a question from Gautam Parma, sir. How it differs from MS Word reference? Yes, sir. MS Word reference, you can use it. So if you go in insert, if I go to citation, yeah, MS Word reference, yeah. If you go to MS version, sir, you have to do it manually, sir. So there's a question from Gautam, sir. Like there is an option in MS Word itself to do all those things. So if I want to go for journal article, I have to pick the journal article. Then again, I have to go to the journal. I have to copy the title. Then I have to go to the word title, journal name, periodicals of engineering, natural sciences. I will just put only three articles just for your understand. So everything you have to do it manually, Gautam sir. Then you have to give okay. Then it will take. So it will take so much of your time, Gautam sir. So if you mentally you just go click it. That's it. It will save your time, sir. That's all. So you can use MS Word reference, but it will take much of your time, sir. Because each and everything you have to put, you copy, you have to type it, and you have to put it, sir. About creating group. Yeah, ma'am, like creating group is nothing but, okay. Kirti ma'am. Kirti ma'am, can you say which is your area, ma'am? Kirti K. May I know your research interest, ma'am? Okay, fine. So if suppose soil structure interaction is Kirti ma'am specialization, he can create a group in Mendeley so that he can get in contact with all over the universe or all over the world those who are doing research in that particular group, they will say this paper I read, this paper I read. So everything you will get it, right? So creating group is nothing but, so what we will do in WhatsApp, we will create a group and we will post a title and we will discuss on that topic. As like this in Mendeley also, you can create your group and you can add that. If for example, if Kirti ma'am is from India and is from in USA and one friend is in UK, you are all three are working in the same problem. You can create a group and you can add all those referencing and whatever it may to that group and you can work it on it. And question from Ahmad Basha Saik sir. How to find that particular paragraph is copied from a particular file? If I change or delete some of the paragraphs in literature, will it update automatically in literature and references? How to find that a particular paragraph is copied from particular file? Yes. How to find a particular paragraph is copied from a particular file? So that is what a plagiarism, sir. If you submit this article to any journal, first step they will put your document in a Turnitin software, which is a plagiarism software. It is a paid software, you have to get it. It will show from where you have got, right, sir? So what you have to do, you have to entirely rewrite the sentence. So for example, if I take this paper, if I submit the same as to the journal, it will definitely be plagiarized. So what I have to do, I have to rewrite this entire para and then I have to do. So if I rewrite also, even if I rewrite also, I have taken this concept from whom? I have taken this concept from Srikanth et al. So I have to mention his name. So that is what references we are doing. So here you can see the study finds a number of lane changes depends on traffic volume as well as on number of lanes provided for a direction of travel. Okay, lane change data was correlated with traffic volume and third degree polynomial trend. Yes, so this is not, you cannot able to change because this is what they have done with the traffic volume correlated with third degree polynomial trend was found to be fitted each type of similar to highway sections. So that point, if you want to discuss in your literature, you have to put this word, but this word belongs to Srikanth sir. That's why you are going to do the referencing for this part. Please send us your email ID if you need any help about Mendeley and Peter. Definitely, sir. My email ID is esgobineth@go. This is my email ID. You can take and you can, if you have any help, you can ask Praveen sir. Sabir sir is asking, can we use Mendeley online without downloading it? Yeah, sir, you can use Mendeley without downloading it, but you have to download either a citation format or a PDF or a full paper. Anything you have to download related to the paper. If not a full PDF, at least you have to download the citation. So if you want to be more clear, so this is one journal. I'm just taking it for demo purpose. Kind of same thing. I'm sorry, it's coming like this. In color bus like this, and this. Yeah, you can without paper. You can if you go. There is a called export. Export. If you see the export, it will be many format RIS and BibTeX. If files will be there that you can download and you can upload it. Sir. Yeah, definitely. Zotero is also one of the very good reference management software, but that is a paid version, sir. Kirti ma'am is saying groundwater modeling. Yeah, that's what I said, man. You can create a group in Mendeley in groundwater modeling. And if you want to work with the groundwater modeling with any of your friends outside across the universe, you can do it. Already if I did by UMS Word, and how can I change it to Mendeley now? Sir, it's nothing like if you are already doing with MS Word, forget about that. You install Mendeley now, and you can you create your profile and you can use Mendeley by using now, sir. So it will save a lot of time of your time, precious time, Prashant, sir. Feedback link is not working. Please check, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, and send to email. Yeah, I think so. I'm done with it. Any doubts you can ask. And also, I would like to say for all the researchers or teaching faculty, if you want to learn many things about research, how to do everything, you can log into Elsewhere Research Academy. You can see here, unlock your research potential, start learning. You can see how to turn on thesis into an article, writing a persuasive cover letter for manuscript, how to write a manuscript. You click here, you can go, there is a video, you can go through the video and you can learn many things. So you can even log in with the same mail ID of which you have provided for the Mendeley. Come back, you can see instruction to the certified peer reviewer courses. Yeah, nowadays in this lockdown, lots and lots of webinars is going on. If you want to get certified by Elsewhere, you can take these courses. So it is free only. It is the website name is called Elsewhere Research Academy. So for research preparation, there are 16 modules and 3 topics. For writing a research, so there is 18 modules and 4 topics are there. You can see all this paper. Research preparation, writing a research paper, publication process, navigating a peer review, communicating your research. Many modules are there. How to prepare your manuscript. For each and everything, you will be get certified by Mendeley. You go back, publication process. If you want to know about publication process, you can take all these courses like 3+ hours. 5 modules is there. You can know more about scientific research publishing. So what publishing, what do you mean by citation, what do you mean by ORCID ID, what do you mean by Scopus Indexed Journal, what do you mean by Web of Sciences, everything. So how you are going to communicate your research? See, all these courses are very free only. You can if you are logged in through the Mendeley with the username and password, with the same you can log in and you can do the research and you can do the study here. And also here there is an option called career path. So if you want to search a job, you can search a job here. If you want to learn, you can learn, and if you want to search a job, you can post your resume. You can, if you want to career guidance, many things are there. It's full of free of cost.
Sir,
Yeah, thank you, madam. Yeah.
so shall we conclude the session, sir?
Yeah. Please, madam. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so if there's any query, you can send the mail and the recorded session will be sent to you, to all the participants. Okay, please fill the feedback link. You will receive the certificate within a week. So I deem it a great honor to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of AG Institute of Engineering and Technology. I would like to thank our distinguished speaker, Mr. Gopinath S., who in spite of his busy schedule has accepted our invitation. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for excellent presentation and making this webinar interesting and meaningful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to express a profound gratitude to our principal, Dr. Shantaram Raisi, for his presence in the webinar and have been a constant support and given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you, sir. I thank our librarian, Dr. Sankar Parai, who graced us with his presence and guidance. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Mr. Santosh, System Admin, AG Institute of Engineering and Technology, for his help and support. I thank all the participants for your presence. You always help us in carrying out such important events. I thank you all for showing your interest in the webinar session. Thank you everyone for making this program successful. I thank everybody for your cordial cooperation. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I personally thank Dr. Sankar Parai sir and the management of AP.
AGI.
The management of AJ Institute of Engineering and Technology and the principal sir and the coordinator Trapati Shetty ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope I have done with what I know and I have empowered you all with this how to use this reference software for this referencing purposes. Thank you all, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
If any more questions you can ask, I am in line. Yeah, shall I end the meeting, ma'am, or shall I wait for a few minutes?
So you can wait, sir.
Yeah.
Participants, if there's any question, you can type in the chat box.
Yeah, ma'am, you are, I think so. It has reached Nigeria and one participant from Nigeria, right? You can see in the chat box. Thank you, Radhika, ma'am. There is a question from Abdul Mali, sir. How do I assess Elsewhere Academy using the phone? You can, by using your PC, you can create an account in Elsewhere Research Academy, so that in your phone, after you make everything ready, you can go back to your mobile and you can log in with the same details, and you can even read the course in your mobile also. So my personal suggestion is that you go for the PC. You make yourself registered in Elsewhere Mendeley and Elsewhere Research Academy with your registered email ID. Then after your registration is done, you can go to your mobile phone, you open your browser, and you can open and you can read the courses. Thank you, Abu Bakr, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hello, madam. Okay, ma'am.
Sir.
Yeah. Shall I leave the meeting?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir.
Stop market. ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ